Hi. Today we are answering the most common questions asked about hospital indemnity insurance plans. And the number one question that we get is, what is hospital indemnity insurance? Hospital indemnity insurance offers flexible supplemental coverage to major medical plans like ACA, Original Medicare, whether you have Medicare Plan G or a Plan N, Medicare Advantage plans, and just to make it simple, it's cash. You get cash back when you are in the hospital. And since medical plans don't cover every dollar of your hospital costs, such as your deductibles, your copays, etc., you can select a hospital indemnity plan that will pay out a certain dollar amount for every day that you're in the hospital due to a sickness or injury. Most often, hospital indemnity insurance allows you, as the policyholder, to choose per day how much cash that you want to get back. For example, you can get anywhere from $100 to $600 a day for every day up to six days that you are in the hospital. Generally, it doesn't have a deductible. There's no limit to provider networks, and the benefits can be spent in whichever way you choose, from medical bills to household expenses during the treatment. So if you have to put your dog in the kennel, you can help pay for that. If you have family members, a family member that's going to have to take you to the hospital, it can help pay for gas. It can help pay for a hotel room should they have to stay in a hotel. It can help pay for any of your medications that aren't 100% covered. It will help if you have to take days off work and you've lost some income. It's cash in your pocket that you can do with it as you wish. So if you're in the hospital, let's say 3 days, and you pick $600 a day that you want back, then you will get $600 a day cash. That's all. You can spend it any way that you want. You also can have a hospital indemnity plan even if you don't have insurance. So that you can have it as to help you, since you don't have insurance, it can help cover any of your costs. Number two, is hospital indemnity insurance worth it? And what does it pay for? Hospital indemnity is an option that you can add to any of your overall health insurance portfolio, or if you don't have one. It pays you a specified amount for each day of covered services that you receive, no matter what the final bill is or what the charges are. The base hospital indemnity benefit provides a certain dollar amount per day you're in the hospital, and that amount is picked by you. This generally ranges from $100 to $600. And for most plans, hospital indemnity insurance can add optional riders that provide additional benefits for, let's say, outpatient services, emergency room. I also explain all of these different riders and benefits in another video, and I'll link that video down below, or it might be up here in one of the corners. So go ahead and check that out for all the additional riders that we can have. It can also have cancer, first diagnosis cancer benefit. So I'll go into that in detail in another video. Number three, are hospital indemnity payments taxable? No, the premium is paid with post-tax income, so your benefits are received not taxable. Number four, does hospital indemnity cover emergency room visits? Policies will differ from company to company, but most have additional benefits within the base policy and have additional coverage through riders, like I said previously, that are offered at an additional cost. So you can customize your plan to be tailored to what you think you may need. And some policies cover as much as low as $150 a day while receiving services in a hospital emergency room as a result of a covered loss due to an injury. Number 5, does hospital indemnity insurance cover surgeries, including knee replacement? Well, again, this varies by provider and by the state that you live in. But most hospital indemnity insurance plans, including the ones that we offer, do offer riders that cover observation billing, ambulance rides, outpatient surgeries, including a knee replacement, and therapy. Some policies even cover your doctor office visits and urgent care visits. Number 6, can I use hospital indemnity insurance without major health insurance? Yes, as I said earlier, hospital indemnity can be used without having any health insurance, whether it's group, individual, or Medicare. But it's important to note, however, that hospital indemnity is not a Affordable Care Act compliant product, meaning it is not available on healthcare.gov. So you'll have to get it from me. Question number 7, does hospital indemnity insurance cover voluntary mental health stays? Again, coverage varies by the provider, but most plans, including the ones that we offer, do cover voluntary mental health treatments in a hospital environment. Number 8, can I have a hospital indemnity plan if I'm on Medicare? Absolutely. In fact, those on Medicare are often ideal candidates for hospital indemnity to help fill in the Medicare Advantage gaps, especially Medicare Advantage plans. People ages 65 to 84 make up about 1 in 3 hospital visits. And according to the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, the cost for an average 5-night stay is $14,500. And Medicare plans rarely cover this entire cost. With Medicare Advantage, for example, the maximum out-of-pocket cost is $6,700, more than most Americans have in an emergency fund. So do you have $6,700 in your account somewhere that can help cover those costs? So number 9, what is the difference between hospital indemnity and accident insurance? The main difference between hospital indemnity and accident insurance is that hospital benefits are triggered when you seek medical care in the hospital or through outpatient services that are covered under the plan. That medical care can stem from an injury or from illness. Accident benefits are triggered by qualifying accidents. So the benefits are usually paid based on a schedule. So depending on your injury, certain benefits are paid. So let's evaluate your situation very carefully and give us a call and we can look over to see what your out-of-pocket costs are. And if you have a Medicare Advantage plan, let's look at your plan and see what all your co-pays and what your max out-of-pocket is. Give us a call. You can email us or even text us, and the link will be in the description below. Along with our Medicare and our Social Security cheat sheet, which you can download, and you can book a consultation with us as well. For more information, you can visit ssgmedicare.com where you can find resources and guidance. Check out our other YouTube videos on Social Security, Medicare, and final expense life insurance, which protects your family should you pass. So don't forget to subscribe and stay informed. And go ahead and find us on Facebook at Senior Solutions Group. Have a good day.